Hello students, and welcome back to this part 2 of 2. In part 1 you learned how to create a title block like the one that is here on the screen. Okay, now in this part 2 we are going to solve question 2, question 3, and also question number 4. Okay, now before we can solve question 2, we are going to set this unit instructions that are being highlighted in yellow over here. We are going to set the units according to this instruction. Okay, now let me just go to my AutoCAD. I'm going to type units. Okay, let's enter. Okay, now I've already done that. Now they say in the line, set the line type to decimal. Make sure that the precision it's 2 decimal places, like I just did over here. This 1 decimal place, this 2 decimal places, and this side they say set the angle position to 1 decimal place. Set the insertion scale units to meters, which is here, meters over here. Now they say set the lighting units to international, which is already being done here. It's already international. Now press OK like this. Right, now according to instruction number question A, we say draw 2 perpendicular lines which are 100 meters in length. Okay, so I am going to do that. I'll draw it somewhere here. Okay, and I'm going to press here, line. Okay, if you don't see this small box with values inside, you can come here on the dynamic input. Okay, so it's called dynamic input. Now if you don't see it, okay, let me put it off. Now when it's off, you cannot see it. Now when I put it on, you'll be able to see this small box with some values. Please make sure that it is on. Okay, now I'm going to click a point over here. I'm going to type 100 and press enter. Okay, I'm going to drag my cursor to the right and also press 100 and press enter like that. Now I'm going to press escape. I'm done with letter A. I'll go to B. They say draw another line that is 80 meters in length with its origin at the intersection of the 2 perpendicular lines. The line must be at an angle of 30 in the first quadrant. Okay, let me go back over here so that I'll be able to draw it nicely. Okay, now guys, I want you to put off the auto mode. Okay, you're going to put it off, and you're going to come here on the polar tracking. You're going to put it on. You're going to come here on the arrow. You're going to click it. Now here is the multiples of angles. This is the multiples of angles from 90, the multiples of angles in 45s, multiples of angles in 30s. We're going to click this one like this. Okay, then I'm going to click my line command over there. I'm going to come here exactly and click at that point. I'll type 80 and press okay. You just let me cancel over here. You want to make sure that, okay, let me cancel this. You want to make sure that when you come over here and click that point, okay, your angle over here must be 30, so you'll be able to see the angle over here. Now the angle is 30, as you can see over there. It says 30 degrees. I'm going to press 80 and press enter over there. Now I'm good. I'm going to press escape. Okay, I think I am already done with letter B. Now they say put the angular dimension to show the 30 degrees. Okay, I'm going to come here. I'm going to come over here and I'll go to Angular. I'm going to click this line over here, and I'll also click the second one, and I'm going to drag it this side. Okay, I'm going to go back to my instructions. Now the last instruction, they say set the dimension text and the dimension arrow size to 40 meters. Set the dimension text and dimension arrows to 40 meters. Okay, then I'm also going to, I'll come here before I can do that step. I'll come here and choose linear. Okay, I'm going to click this point over here, also click the second one over there, drag it down, press enter to activate my command again. I'll do the same over here. Click the first point and the second point, and drag it to the side like this. Press escape. Now I'm going to select these dimensions like this. I'm going to come here on the annotations, come here on the standard, or come here on the modify. They say we must set it to 40, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's 40. Now press OK. I'll say close. Okay, let me see, confirm if it was 40. Yes, it was 40 meters. Now you can see now that I'm having my 100 meters over here being seen carefully. The size is big now compared to before. Also here is 100 meters. The angle over here, it's 30 degrees. Okay, I think I am done with question 2. Now I'll go straight to question number 3. Now question number 3, they say draw 2 circles, both with a radius of 10. They must lie side by side with their ends touching. Okay, so I'm going to come here. They must have the diameter of 10. I'll draw it somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. And I'm going to come here at the circle command. Okay, otherwise let me start by doing this. I'll click the line over here. I'm going to draw a line that is exactly 20 meters long. Okay, click here exactly. There's a point, and I'm going to type 20. Okay, let me not forget to put on my auto mode. Okay, I'll put on my auto mode, so I'll be able to draw the straight lines. Going back over here, I'll click the point. Okay, I'll make sure that I type 20 and press enter. Then I'll press escape. I'll zoom in. Let me do this. Drag this line over here. Okay, I'm going to zoom exactly in. I'm going to click circle over here. I'll click the arrow like this, and I'll come here where it says what is this, center radius. I'm going to click this point over here. I'm going to type the radius of 10. Okay, press OK. Now I know that from here to there is also 10 units, so I can also come here and draw another line over here. Now make sure that the radius is 10. Now just type 10, press enter. Okay, now these 2 lines over here, it's more like they are touching end to end. Okay, and I'm going to remove my line just like that. I'll go back to the instructions. Okay, sorry, let me close this one. Go back to the instructions over here. Now my second instruction says draw an octagon, okay, inscribed in a circle diameter of 10. So I'm going to draw an octagon that is inside one of these circles. Okay, now they say draw the circle, also make make the polygon red and the circle green. Okay, what I'm going to do here is allow me to come here. I'll come here. Okay, I'll come here. I'm going to add a layer, and I'll write octagon. Okay, press OK. I'm going to make it red, just like that. Press OK. I'll make it red. Okay. And I'm going to add another one. I'll say circle, and I'm going to make it green. Press OK. Okay, I think now I'm good. I can close the video. I'm going to change my layer over here. I'm going to come here to green, and I'm going to click this and come back here and change that to green. Okay, now I'm going to go straight to octagon, layer that is named octagon. I'll come over here. Okay, I'll come here at the polygon over here. Octagon has 8 sides, so I'll press 8 and press enter. Okay, then I'm going to specify my base point over here. I want to write it exactly inside the center of this circle. Okay, then I'm going to click it over here. They say inscribe in a circle. I'll press here. Okay, and I'll make it to have the diameter of 10, and I'll say okay, I'll just type 10 and press enter. Now I'm good. My circle is green and my octagon is red. Okay, I'm going to go back to my instructions again. Okay, coming over here, they say okay, it means I'm done with 2.1.2. Now go to 2.1.3, instruction number 3. They say draw 2 rectangles. One of them must be 5 by 10, so it must have the length of 10 and the width of 5. Okay, let me draw it first. I'm going to draw it somewhere here. I'll come here, click rectangle. I'm going to click a point over here. Okay, press escape. First we need to go back to layer 0 over here. Click layer 0, and we need to come over here, rectangle. I'm going to click a point. Okay, I'm going to type 10 and press tab to lock my length, and I'm going to type 5 and press enter. Now zoom exactly in so that it will be a little bit bigger. Okay, coming back to my instructions, they say I'm going to draw another one just inside this one, that is 5 by 2.5. So I'll come here. Okay, I'll click a point just inside this one. I'll make sure that the length is 5. I'll press tab. My width is 2.5, and I'll press enter like this. Okay, now you can also try to to shift this box if you feel like it's not exactly at the center, but then the instruction never told us to put it at the center, so I'll leave it like this. It's fine. Now they say, okay, continuation of the instructions, they say create a solid red hatch in the space outside the smaller rectangle. So it means we're going to make sure that exactly over here it's red in color. Okay, it's going to be red. Let me try to move this a little bit so that it can be exactly at the center anyway, but the instruction never told us to do it, but then I'll just do it for the sake of making my drawings to be perfect. Okay, then I'm going to come here over H. It says H. I'll click H over here. Okay, now I'll come here where it says pattern. I'm going to click this pattern, this down arrow. I'll click here where it says solid. Okay, and I'm going to choose my color over here. Sorry, I'm going to choose my color, and my color must be red. I'll click exactly there and press escape. Now I am good with that part. I'm done with instruction number 3, 2.1.3. now I'll go to question number 4 over here. Okay guys, this is question 4. Now in question 4 we are asked to go to our study guide at the end of unit 2 on exercise 2.2 and answer all the multiple choice questions from 1 up to 15. Now let me open my study guide. These are the exercises that we need to answer from 1 up to 15. Okay, after answering that, you come back to your AutoCAD. You can divide this title block here by drawing a line from here to there and answer your questions this side. Okay, then after, when you are done, you need to print this particular, you need to plot this particular AutoCAD so that you'll be able to submit. Now you come here, you will need to come here. Okay, you just need to cancel everything that is here, cancel everything there, and I'm going to rename my page over here on the layout one. I'll rename it and I'll say A3 title block. Okay, let me just say A3 paper. Okay, press enter. There it is. Now come here again and click, right click, go to page setup manager, modify, come here and select my ISO A3 there, layout. I'll print to plot to extend, okay, center, okay, like this, and I'm going to come here, select AutoCAD, and everything is correct. Okay, let me just select the scale of 1:1. Okay, and I'll press okay, close. Right, then I have set my paper to A3. Now I'm going to go back to my model this side. I'm going to convert everything. After answering the question number 4 and putting in your answer here, you need to convert this whole title block into a block. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come here, create. Okay, I'm going to name it, can I name it student 1 A3. Okay, and I'm going to press okay. Then if you can see here, they say specify insertion base point. I'm going to come over here, but in the meantime allow me to put my snap to be on over here. Okay, I'm going to select my, okay, let me start again. It seems like it has cancelled. You come over here, create. Okay, you can name this student 1 A3. I'll click OK. Okay, I'll select my base point there. Okay, now they say select the object. I'll select the whole of this thing. Okay, and press enter like this. Now you can see when I click here, it select the whole of this title block. Now I can come here and click over this title block on this side, copy the base point. I'll copy this again again. Yes, I'll come this side and I'm going to press Ctrl V. Okay, I'm going to paste it somewhere here so that it can fit on the paper. Let me paste it exactly here, okay, and I'm going to zoom exactly there. I'm going to right click, scale, click that point again. I'm going to make it fit exactly inside this dashed lines. I'm going to right click again. I'm going to select this title block, right click again. I'm going to go to move, okay. I'm going to select here the center and I'll move it to be exactly here. Now after, when you are done with everything, then I'm going to come exactly here, okay. I'll come here to plot, right click plot, say continue. Right, now I'm going to press OK. So it says plot device selected. Okay, I'm going to select my what is this, the machine, the plotter or the printer. I'll choose AutoCAD general documentation. I'll press OK. Okay, I'm going to put it this way. Let me put it in the documents. Let me put it on the desktop. Okay, I'll press 1 so that I'll get it fast. Okay, then I'll press okay. Let me see if we have okay. After doing everything, here it is. Now this is my PDF. Okay, that's where you're going to take this PDF and submit it. When I want it on the desktop, here it is. I just come and click it on the desktop and submit it. Thank you very much. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you on another video.